Sedimentary rocks formed on basis of transporting agents, and they are known as, if it is by rivers, then riverine rocks, lacustrine rocks in the lake area, loess because of the wind deposition, and till or moraines because of the glacial work, marine rocks because of the ocean currents and tides. Riverine rocks, rocks formed by deposition of sediments brought down by rivers. Now here you have to remember, as we have learned before, river from its source to mouth in different places, the gravels are, as far as we are move towards the mouth, the gravels are becoming small to smaller, then finer particles. So accordingly, we get bigger particles over here, then moderate particles, and then we get the finest particle. Aeolian rocks, that is wind, is the major agent of deposition over there, and layers of sand deposited gets compacted and then lithified. For example, loess. Loess has been deposited and then got compacted and then cemented and formed into rocks. Sedimentary rocks, as per glacial rocks, like formed by glacial deposits in the form of tills. You can see the tills over here, the boulders, gravel, sand of moraine lithified to form till or rock. As the glacier was up to here, it was under the glacier, but when the glacier stressed back because of temperature, high temperature, that time it has left behind these tills over here. Lacustrine rocks, that is lake area on the bed of a lake due to successive periods of deposition. You can see the stratified rocks over here, that is the bed of the lakes. Sideways we can see it. Glacial moraines or marine tills. Here we can see those tills over here also. Now marine rocks formed at the ocean floor. We have learnt about the biologically formed sedimentary rocks. That same thing is coming over here as marine rocks together. Now how? Because in the marine area it is taking place calcareous and carbonaceous. Calcareous formed from the skeletons, shells, remains of living organisms like corals, shellfish, etc. like limestone. Here we have got marine rocks, that is calcareous. Carbonaceous formed due to heavily compressed vegetative matter of swamps area and forest, that is coal, peat, lignite is coal. Chief characteristic of sedimentary rocks: it covers most of the Earth's rock surface. They are stratified, consist of many layers of strata, hold the most informative geological records like what was the weather patterns, wind and water flow, how it was, then biological activities from the fossils also we can come to know. Then they have fossils of plants and animals. Then these rocks are generally porous and allow water to percolate through them. Economic significance, like sedimentary rocks are rich in coals, petroleum, material used in the cement industry is also we are getting from there. Sedimentary rocks also yield one of the richest soil, that is sedimentary soil, which is highly supportive to agriculture. Agricultural practice boost because of this soil which is formed from sedimentary rocks.